Hello, community of Club 250 Cent. It's a happy Sunday here, and good morning from me here in my city to every one of us members and partners of Club 250 Cent globally. I do believe we are all fine and getting ready to mint money in abundance. Now, guys, I hope we're all getting ready for pre-sales of C250 gold and also take off of smart contract come 1st of July 2022. As we get prepared, there are a couple of things we need to have handy. First and foremost, guys, for every one of you who know you have an account with Club 250 Cent, quickly go into your back office, the profile section, edit the profile section, and ensure you put your smart chain wallet address, get it properly updated. Um, uh, right now, get it properly updated and ensure that is done. And also, um, as we get started on this launch, there are two basic areas we are going to be operating from. We have an option of using the Trust Wallet dApp, or we use the MetaMask dApps, the dApps in the MetaMask. So you now need to have either your Trust Wallet well downloaded. For those of you who don't have Trust Wallet, of course, you all know you have to go to the Play Store to download Trust Wallet. Like I have my Trust Wallet, and now we also have an option of using MetaMask. So to have the MetaMask, just quickly go to your Play Store. Okay, this is my Play Store. When you type in MetaMask, this is my MetaMask. It has been downloaded, and I have also set it up. It is ready. So this is what we all need to do. Have your um, MetaMask wallet ready, and also have your Trust Wallet ready. You're going to be using either your MetaMask or your Trust Wallet. And then for those of you who will be downloading MetaMask afresh, please get it connected to the Polygon network, because you will need Matic coin, okay, to pay. You will need Matic coin to as instrument to paying the transaction fees that you will be doing henceforth. This is what all we need. You can also get the Matic coin of the Polygon network in Trust Wallet. So for those of you who already have Trust Wallet, this is what you need to do right now. For instance, this is my Trust Wallet. You just go top right corner where you see this sign up here. Now let me use my writer. Okay. Um, just right about here. I hope you have seen it. I've circled it there. You just go there and then you type in Matic. You type in Matic. When you see Matic, you will see it in gray color, Polygon Matic. Then it's neutral. You activate it. Once you activate it, you've had it. Then the next thing is now let's go and see having it appear in this list. Okay, Matic. We're looking for Polygon Matic. This is Polygon Matic. So you open the Polygon Matic, and then you open, let's click the receipt to see the Polygon Matic address. Okay. So this is it. You copy the address and get to buy Matic token of any amount you can afford and keep in order to, so because you'll be using the Matic token to pay for transactions that you'll be conducting in the course of you buying C250 gold, and also making your deposit and withdrawal right from your dApps. So you all need Matic. Matic is the gateway, is the payment solution for all the transactions you'll be conducting. So Matic is very, very important. So get it all activated. Assist your downline to get Matics. Just the same way you added up DFC wallet in your Trust wallet. That same process you use to get Polygon Matic in your Trust wallet, as well as in your MetaMask. So we need to do this real quick. Most importantly, for those of you who have not um, downloaded, who have not updated your account with the a smart chain wallet address, you better do it now. But then, last but not the least, let me also inform and advise everybody on the commencement of the smart contract. The smart contract cannot work with account bearing Binance wallet address. Okay, Binance wallet address, no. So we are not using centralized exchange wallet address. So this will not work. For those of you who have a Binance wallet address in your back offices, please edit it and then update it with Trust Wallet, Smart Chain address from your Trust Wallet, or use your MetaMask address for your account. This is very, very important. Please ensure you pass this information and pass this knowledge to everyone around you and get informed and get prepared. Thank you, and God bless you, and have a wonderful Sunday and a great new week ahead. Stay tuned and see you.